Yesterday I faced this problem in saving graphics settings. Now I show you guys how I fixed this problem. Go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection. On right side select manage settings. Scroll down. Enter controlled folder access. Select manage controlled folder access. Controlled folder access, turn it off and select yes option. And now just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game. Once you are in game, press escape key and go to settings. Now you can able to change the graphics settings. You can able to save it without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.